Hey, Mama.
Open it.
Oh, look at the baby. She opened a present.
Yay.
Laurel.
Oh.
No, that might be something good.
Uh-huh. What's the baby doing?
What is it?
Oh,
Water.
yeah.
Nummies.
Nummies.
Ooh, yummy.
Nummies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Aunt Susan.
Oh, watch.
for my dog.
Oh, what's the baby going to open?
Wow, you're a lucky
What's the baby
kid.
going to open? Watch. What's she going to get?
Whoa.
Oh.
Wow. Wow, what is it?
Mmm.
Put them all
Nummies.
back in before you get the rest.
Oh. Nummies.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Nummies.
Mm-hmm. See, that's Laurel. Watching the video of Laurel. And then Dakota's watching Laurel.
No?
Yeah. What's the baby got? Oh, she got a car, huh? Presents? Oh, yeah. Nummies.
Oh. Whoa.
Yeah. Is she pretty? Oh, what's that? A baby doll? Hmm.
Hey, Nummies.
Yeah. Say bye, Laurel. Say Laurel. Can you say that?
Heard that thing.
Uh-oh. Here she goes. Watch, she's going to drive it. Watch, she's going to drive it. Ready? Here she goes. Oh. Say run, huh?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, cute.
Yay! Oh, look at her with her baby.
Whoa.
Yeah, her room, a Jeep, huh? You love Laurel? You love Laurel? Yes?
Oh, wait.
What are you doing? You typing on the computer?
That's
Okay.
like me.
Yeah, that's making more Laurel come on. Look at that. See? Yay, Laurel! See her on there? That's the same one. You need to see. Look at you making more Laurel come up there, huh?
Oh.
There's Uncle Lloyd.
Oh.
Great Uncle Lloyd.
No.
Yeah.
No.
What? Okay, make it. Do it. Okay, right. There we go. Look at your fingers. Okay, say bye-bye, Laurel. Say bye-bye, Laurel. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
They love you. Mwah. Little kisses. Mwah. Oh, that was a good kiss. Good kiss. Bye-bye, little baby. Oh, Dakota and Aunt Debbie love you.